Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video I'm super excited to bring to you guys, and I promise you guys it will be the last Kylie Jenner video in a while until she obviously releases another palette that caused my attention. But I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about the Royal Peach palette. But before we get into that, let me tell you guys a little backstory about what videos we have uploaded this week that have included Kylie Jenner makeup. So the first one we went ahead and uploaded was the extended burgundy palette, which obviously if you guys know, she did come out with two new palettes, the extended peach and the extended burgundy palette. Those both launched Friday the 26th of October, so they are still for sale. They haven't sold out. Well, at least the last time I checked the website, they haven't. So if they're still available and you want to pick it up, I will be leaving it in the description box down below for you. A bit more about each palette. I loved the burgundy palette. I want to tell you guys, if you guys are going to try to pick up one of the two, I say pick up the extended burgundy palette. Do not purchase the peach one before you try the burgundy palette. I went ahead and picked up both of them at the same time. I fell in love with the burgundy palette. It's like one of my favorite palettes right now, especially because burgundies are really in and they just look so beautiful like on brown eyes. I love a burgundy eyeshadow. And second, I did not like the peach extended palette. I feel like the colors were too not versatile. Like they weren't for every skin tone. I feel like you would have to be a light skin tone to rock those eyeshadows. Me personally, I don't like the orange shadows on that palette whatsoever. The palette wasn't my favorite. When my sister saw it, she was like, oh my god, this palette is so beautiful, like this is like more of my palette, can I try it? And I was like, no, I have to review it before you even tried to use it. And today I hit her up and I was like, hey, do you want this? She's like, yes, yes, yes. And I was like, okay, you can have it, I don't want it. That's how much I didn't like the extended peach palette. I was so sad because I was really expecting it to be bomb because I fell in love with the burgundy palette. But enough of those two palettes. Today we will be talking about the Kylie Cosmetics Royal Peach palette. Yep, the Royal Peach palette. So this is another palette and I honestly am in love with this palette. I think this palette is worth it. I am obsessed with this palette. So if you guys don't know, this is the box that it comes with. Kylie Jenner's eyes on there. And she's just basically wearing her peach shadows and that pop of blue under the eye. And she looks really bomb right here. Honestly, her makeup looks bomb. They did a good job. On the back of this box, like you guys can see, has her name. And then obviously the names of the eyeshadows and when it expires and all that good stuff. But this is a really pretty box and it's a really pretty palette as well. So this palette isn't like the same as the other ones. I mean, it is the gloss, but it's not matte Kylie. It's this rose gold Kylie Jenner. And then in the back it has the same print as the box. It has her name, and then we have right here where it says the eyeshadows names, and then basically when it expires, how many shadows and how many ounces and all that good stuff are in this eyeshadow palette. If you guys have not seen this eyeshadow palette, this is the palette we're talking about. Thumbnail. So I'm not going to show you guys the swatches of this palette today because I really just wanted to be like your first impressions of this palette, which I haven't used until today. I love this palette. I think it's just so bomb. Like this palette is a bomb daily. Like it's freaking bomb, and I wish it was mine. It's not mine, you guys. My sister purchased it, and you know, I hope she's like, hey, do you want it? I didn't like it, but I did bring it to you guys, and since I liked it, I will be picking it up this. end this video, I want to go ahead and ask you guys one question. Will you guys be picking up a James Charles Artistry palette? Let me know in the description box, in the comment box down below, whatever. I honestly don't know. I'm like 50-50. I like the fact that it's a colorful palette, and I mean, I love the 35B, but I don't know if I'm like gonna get it. I want to get it, but I don't like the fact that his freaking face is on the palette. But whatever, it's his palette, you know. It's not that I don't support the boy, I don't support our sister, but it's just like, don't put your face on it, please. Like, I like displaying a couple of my makeup items I get, so I'm like, I don't want your face looking at me when I'm trying to record. But anyways, you guys, let me know if you guys will be picking up that palette. I most likely will be picking it up. But other than that, I'm gonna let you guys go. I will see you guys in my next video. But before I leave one more time, I need to go ahead and sponsor myself. So don't forget to hit the subscription box down below. Hit subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video for you guys. And that's basically it. I will see you guys in Monday's video. Thank you so much for all the love and support. We're almost at 1,600 subscribers. I'm fucking excited. So if you guys are watching this video, you guys need any recommendations, you guys want me to try anything, let me know in the description box down below. But other than that, that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your love and support. If you're new, let me know in the description, in the comment box down below, so I can go ahead and welcome you to my channel. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video.